Hi, I just ordered 23andMe. At first I thought it was a dating site, which then I found out it wasn't. But so I received it in the mail within about 2 days from their site. Opened it up, unbox it, tear it open. Has all kinds of instructions on it. Has some coupons if you want to share it with somebody else. And you open up this instructions right here. And comes with this neat little kit here. Here's the tube. Now this looks daunting at first because it tells you right in the instructions, don't eat, drink, or anything. Brush your teeth, chew gum for 30 minutes. And then you got to spit in this tube. And you're like, I got to fill up this whole tube. Well, it's actually from here to here. Just this little amount right here. Now I started filling it up and I have it full. So I don't know if you can see. You don't want to count the bubbles, so the bubbles are up there. Kind of gross, I know, but that's what it is. So I'll probably just make sure. It looks like it's to the line. One more time. And then you close this lid, and you want to make sure you don't seal this before you spit into the tube, because right up here, there's a chemical that reacts with your saliva once you seal that tube. And then you're going to take that funnel off and you're going to put this cap on it and then shake it. Then put it back in the kit. It comes with a self-addressed box on the back right here, and postage is included in it already. So all you have to do is drop it in the mail and wait. So we'll see what happens.